Hey friends, welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel. Please subscribe. Let's get started. First up, we have sunflowers. Did you know that sunflowers can grow as tall as a giraffe? They love soaking up the sun and are super easy to grow. To plant sunflowers, dig a small hole in the soil, drop in a seed, and cover it with dirt. Make sure to water them regularly and give them lots of space to grow. Before you know it, you'll have beautiful towering sunflowers in your garden. Next on our list are giant hibiscus flowers. These beauties can grow as big as a dinner plate. They come in many colors and are perfect for adding a tropical vibe to your garden. To plant hibiscus, choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Water them deeply but less frequently, and they'll reward you with stunning blooms all summer long. Remember to fertilize your hibiscus plants regularly to keep them healthy and blooming. A little bit of fertilizer goes a long way in giving them the nutrients they need to thrive. Now, let's talk about giant water lilies. These amazing plants have leaves as big as a bathtub. They need a sunny spot in a pond or water garden to grow. Plant them in a large container filled with water and rich soil. Make sure to keep the water level consistent and protect them from frost in the winter. Next, we have the giant protea flowers. These unique blooms are native to South Africa and come in a variety of colors. To grow proteas, plant them in well-drained soil in a sunny spot. They're a bit picky about water, so make sure not to overwater them. With the right care, you'll be rewarded with stunning flowers that make great additions to bouquets. Giant alliums. These funky-looking flowers have big, round heads that add a whimsical touch to any garden. Plant their bulbs in the fall, about 6 inches deep in well-draining soil. They thrive in sunny spots and require minimal care. Just sit back and enjoy their eye-catching blooms in the spring. Here we have the giant spider lily. These exotic-looking flowers have long, delicate petals that resemble spider legs. They prefer partial shade and moist, well-draining soil. Plant their bulbs in the spring, about 4 inches deep, and keep the soil evenly moist. With their striking blooms, they'll add a touch of drama to your garden. Next, we have the giant canna lily. These tropical beauties are known for their bold foliage and colorful flowers. Plant them in full sun and rich, well-draining soil. Space the rhizomes about 1 to 2 feet apart and water them regularly. With their lush growth and stunning blooms, they'll add a touch of the tropics to your garden. The giant peony. These classic beauties are cherished for their large, fluffy blooms and sweet fragrance. Plant them in full sun or partial shade and well-draining soil. Make sure to give them plenty of space to spread out as they can grow quite large. With their stunning flowers and lush foliage, they'll add elegance and charm to your garden. Giant hydrangea. With their lush foliage and vibrant blooms, they're sure to captivate your heart. To cultivate these magnificent blooms in your garden, choose a spot with dappled sunlight and well-drained soil. With a little TLC, these beauties will thrive and reward you with a spectacular floral show. Last but certainly not least, we have the giant Himalayan lily. These lilies are like garden giants, standing super tall at 6 to 10 feet. And their flowers are big and smell amazing. To grow, dig a hole about as deep as your hand and pop the bulb in, pointy side up. Cover it with dirt and give it a big drink of water. And there you have it, friends. 10 remarkable giant flowers to transform your garden into a paradise of color and joy. So go ahead, dive into the world of gardening and let nature's wonders inspire you. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips and inspiration on my channel.